Yeah, very good morning, dear students. Now we are going to discuss about weekend test 13 syllabus, maths analysis. So someone saying easy level, okay, good. Medium level. So practice is required. Question number 1. What is the answer? Anyone? The probability that leap year selected randomly will 53 Sundays. What is the answer? Solution C. So leap year means what is the answer? 52 weeks plus 2 consecutive days, 2 odd days. Fine. So what is sample space? Anyone? You can choose Sunday, Monday, Monday, Tuesday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Thursday, Friday, Friday, Saturday, Saturday, Sunday. So what is sample space? 7. So for favorable cases, so one Sunday is required. Where is the one Sunday? Sunday, Monday possible or Saturday, Sunday possible. So therefore, required probability is what? 2/7. What is the option? Tell me. I can write. So what is the option is given? Two by seven is what is the option? Option B. Today I'm using my mobile hotspot. Maybe not supporting that much time. So as soon as possible, write out. Try to complete early. Is the screenshot? 52. 3 identical dice are rolled. The probability that same number will appear on each of them dice. What is the answer? So what is the sample space? Anyone? 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2. So 6, 6, 6. And so on like that. How many are there? So n of s is equal to 6 into 6 into 6, totally 216 are there. Means 1, 1, 2 like that. 2, 3, 2 like that. So favorable cases, how many are there? Only 6. What are there? Just I wrote like that. So required probability is what? 6 by 60 cube. So answer is 1 by 36. That is the answer. So option is B for Bombay. Come on. $53. 3 of the 6 verses of a regular hexagon. Last time I think Bhuvan Kumar asked this question. Am I correct, Bhuvan? While class is going on. So this is a regular hexagon. This is the equilateral triangle. One more equilateral triangle possible like that. So what is the sample space? N of S is how much? How many verses are there? 6. We have to choose 3. So 63 ways. How many ways? 20 ways. So how many triangles are possible? That is only 2. Since triangle AEC is similar to congruent to triangle BDF. So 2 equal triangles are there. So therefore required probability is what? N of E by N of S. 2 by 20. Answer is 1 by 10. Like that, right? So what is the option, please? C. See, if question is not clear in the think exam, yeah, please share the photo. Anyone. So this question is not visible like that. Error is there. Graph missing. Like that, such cases, please share the photo. Anyone think exam, yeah. Okay. $54. So some people may be doing silly mistakes. In this case, what is the answer? See, first of all, choosing three numbers. How many ways? 21 C3 ways. But here, the chance that the numbers are in numbers on them are in AP. Choose. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, and so on. What is the last case? 19, 20, 21. So how many numbers are there? The common difference is 1. See carefully. Next, 1, 3, 5, 2, 4, 6, 3, 5, 7, and so on. 17, 19, 21. How many times are there? 17, because your common difference is 2. So like that here, if you're taking favorable cases, common difference 1 means 19. Or common difference 2 means how many other? 17. Common difference 3 means how many other? 15, and so on. 3 plus 1. That is the meaning. So here, what are the cases coming? Sum of the first and odd natural numbers. What is the answer here? 10 square. So the required probability is what? 100 by 21 C3. What the answer is coming? 10 by 133. Now tell me anyone, any objection from this case? Now see, question number 60, anyone? Actually, this should mention arrangements actually. Okay, no? This one should be they give arrangements. So, what is there on mentioning arrangements now? Option is what here? None of these you should give. So option D, how many of you putting? All of you getting 10 by 133? Mohan Kumar? Pawan? Okay. You can use the formula. Are you getting? See, direct formula that is, but yes, they should give the mention these three number. Yeah. Yeah, it should coming, but that's actually they should give mention the three numbers arrangements actually they should give. That's why I'm giving option D. This one. Okay, dear students. Right on. The chance that the numbers on them are in AP means what here? Option D. Actual what that not here. Otherwise, you have to see question number 60 also same thing. See, the numbers on them. So D is giving none of these. They should give what the answer. So 3n by what the format told you last time. Actually, choosing three numbers means a plus c is equal to b. What is the actual method? Okay, this one is what here solution arrangements, but correction choosing any three numbers means what? It should be even number. So a plus c can be means what? Here both are even or both are odd. So both are even. Both means how many even numbers are there? 10. So you have to choose 10 C2 or 11 C2. How many odd numbers are there? 11. You have to choose two numbers out of 11. So what is the PFS now? 10 C2 plus 11 C2 by 20 C2. How much is coming? Simplify, that is the answer. 21 C2. But this option is not there now. That's why I'm giving D for Delhi. Check it, anyone? It is there or not? 10 C2 plus 11 C2 by 21 C2. Is it coming? Option is there. 3n by 4n square minus 2. Check it. How much is there or not? 4n square minus 1. 3 into 21 by, check it how much it is there or not. Option D. It is not there. Its option is not there. No? Is there? Not there. That's why none of these I'm giving. Yeah, 21 is there. That, no, after simplifying, this option is there or not? I'm saying more here. If it is not there, none of these. Actually, this is the procedure. But in this case, they should give these three numbers arrangement. They should give. They're not mentioning. Okay. 55. There are 4 letters and 4 address envelopes. The chance that all the letters are not dispatched in the right envelope. What the meaning here? Not in right envelope means I'm taking, suppose there are n letters and an address envelopes. Okay, what is the formula? 1 minus P of in right envelope. What is the case? 1 minus. So how many ways you can arrange them in? Exactly, we can post in address envelope means what here? These n letters goes to n correct. I mean right envelopes means what? How many ways? Only one by one way. So these letters you can arrange them how many ways? That is the formula. So therefore, required probability is what? Not in right envelope means how many ways? So answer is 23 by 24. Just a minute. What is the option? Yeah, option C. Right on. So here I am using formula. What is the concept? P of E dash is equal to 1 minus P of E. Complementary event concept. Okay. 56. Last time we discussed balls. A bag contains some balls, and a second bag also contains some other balls like that. Oh, arrangements. Dear, that is the meaning arrangement, no? Why not? What is the answer? So means what here? There are two purses. Purse 1, purse 2. 4 copper coins, 3 silver coins. Second purse contains 6 copper coins, 2 silver coins. Okay. So required probability is equal to. So all of you write the error notes and submit to Sudha madam or Vijay sir. Okay. So means what here probability that it is a copper coin from any purse. That means what here half of the chances. Okay. From the first purse or second purse I can choose. Okay. From the first purse choosing a copper coin means how many copper coins are there for? By total number of coins is 7 into by 8. So how much is coming? 2 by 7, 3 by 8, 56, 16 plus 21. 37 by 56. Option is there. Let me see. 37 option C. All of you maintain the error notes. If 3 dice are thrown simultaneously, then probability of getting a score is 7. This is the excellent question. See the solution. Generally, what is the sample space? 6 into 6 into 6, that is 216. Now, sum of these 3 dice is how much? 7 is given. See, then what are the possibilities of x in a 1? I can take 1, 2, 3, 4, up to 5 only. Now, what is this, sir? 6 also possible or no? Why? If you are taking 6, sum is not getting 7. More than 7 is coming. They're asking getting score is 7. Why also I can take maximum 5. For the meaning. Why? Because if you are taking 5, 5 plus 1 plus 1 like that. Now what I'm doing here, students, see, coefficient of x power 7 in 1 plus, sorry, x power 1, x square, x cube, x power 5. Repeat how many times? 3 times. So coefficient of x power 7 in x power 4. Take x outside, x cube. So this is same as coefficient of, where how to take? So this is the x cube, outside means x cube means you can find a coefficient of x power 4 in 1 plus x. That's the meaning. How to write? Coefficient of x power 4 means how to write? 1 minus x power 5 whole cube into 1 minus x whole power minus 3. Because GP formula. 1 minus x power n by 1 minus x. Okay, fine. Coefficient of x power 4 in, what is the expansion? 1 minus 3 into x power 5. Remainder not required. Still, what is the expansion of 1 minus x whole power minus 3 into 1? 1 plus 3c1x, 4c2 x square, 5c3 x cube, 6c4 x power 4. Remaining terms are not required. Directly I'm focusing this one. 6c4, please help me anyone. What is 6c4 anyone? 6c2, that means like that. 15. Therefore, required probability is almost 15 by 216. 3 5 0, 3 7 0, like that is the answer. Example, I'm taking suppose 1 comma 5 comma 1 like that. 2 comma 2 comma 3 like that. Sum is what here? 7. Option is C. C. So here also using multinomial theorem concept. If you are taking 6, is it possible sum is 7? Remaining days we have to choose 1 1. 6 plus 2 is 8, not possible. So score is exactly 7. Sum of these 3 dice. Possible 133. Am I saying no? Yeah, possible. So like that, how many cases are possible? There are 15 cases are possible. But if you are choosing 6, that is not possible. I'm saying. Take it one example. But if we cannot write these examples 151, 115 like that. 58. What the answer? What are the NFS? Choosing numbers means numbers are randomly from the first and number, then the probability is a prime. Okay. Sample space is 100. Okay, fine. But how many prime numbers are there? That is a very funny question. Yeah. That is 25. Because he can be what? 2, 3, 5, and so on. 89, 97, like that. How many are there? 25. So required probability is what? 25 by 100. That is 1 by 4. That's all. So number of primes from 1 to 100 means the concept is coming in 7th class. Accepting or 8th class something. Option B. 59. A bag contains 10 mangoes. Okay. So in this case, 4 are damaged. It means 4 are rotten. 6 are good. Okay. How to solve? So 2 mangoes are choosing. Okay. It is for that it is good. And probably that both are good. Okay. What is the sample space anyone? Suppose 2 mangoes, we are choosing 2 mangoes. Both are good. 62 ways. Or one is good, one is bad. But favorable case is what here? Anyone? Both are good means you have to choose 2 mangoes from out of 6 good mangoes. So required probability is what? N of P by N of S means how much is coming? 60 to anyone? 6 by 30, that means 15 by 15 plus 24. 15 by 39. So P of S is equal to 5 by 13. Right on. 5 by 13 is what they given. The estimate option is there. Question number 59. Okay. D. N of S means no, 2 rotten mangoes are not possible. Both are good. That's the case. See. Force it not possible. Force it means what means both you are choosing both are bad. But condition is given what here? Both are good. See the condition. Both are good. Force it is not possible. 2 mangoes are good means 62. Otherwise, one is good, one is bad. Sample space. Because already one condition is given, one is good. Maybe one is another one is bad. But they're asking probabilities what here? Both are good. That's the meaning. 6C. Now 60C. The chance that they form an AP just now discussed, we can write down. What is the answer? N of S means what? Choosing three numbers means 21C3. So once again, I'm going to write directly. N of E, what is the answer? No. You can choose even numbers 10, odd numbers 11. So therefore, P of S is how much? 10C2 plus 11C2 by 21C3. Option B. B for Bombay. So 54, I think, you know, question number 54, both are same. 54, they choose, they change arrangements. Then completely different. Anyone find out 10C2 plus 11C2 how much is coming? Simplify. Sure. Let me say, don't know. 10C2 means how much? 45. Am I correct? 11C2 means 55 by 21 into 20 into 19 by 6. 100. Okay. 6 by 21 into 20 into 19. So 3 2 0, 3 7 0. Okay, let me see now. 2 10 0. 10 0. 1 by 70. 70 plus 63, 133. Wow, option is there. Okay. So 60, what is the answer now? 60B. Okay. 54 is what now? Yeah. Okay. 54 here now. Okay. Thank you, Bhavan. Where is the 54 here? 54 here. Where is the option? Yeah. Reverse our question. Very important model. I don't. Thank you, Bhavan. Yeah. 61. What is the answer? Anyone? P of A and B. P of A and B means what? Anyone? They're asking range. Okay. Anyone? We know one result. Maximum of P of A comma P of B is less than or equal to P of A union B less than or equal. What is the maximum value? 1. What is the maximum? 4 by 7. P of A union B. So using Edison theorem. What is the Edison theorem? Anyone? P of A plus P of B, like that. So 4 by 7. P of A is how much? 1 by 2. They're asking P of A intersection B. So simplify. How much coming C? Anyone? Adding minus 4 means for 3 by 7. Am I correct? Plus 3 by 7. Check it. 1 minus 4 by 7. Adding minus 1 by 2 again. How much coming? Therefore, P of multiply P minus on both sides. How much coming? Minimum is how much coming? Question number 61. Yeah, 1 by 4 comma 1 by 2 is coming. See. Option is there? Yes. B for Bombay. Two, 3, 6, 6 minus 1. Yeah, 7, 14. Yeah, 14. 1 by 14 comma 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 maximum. Minimum is, yeah, that's right. So minimum is 1 by 14. Maximum is 1 by 2. So these many steps are not required. You can simplify your only. Avan, you complete Moria. Maybe 4 to 5 questions are there. The rest of the cases easy. Okay, thank you. Now see solution. A card is drawn at random from a pack of 52 cards. The probability that drawing a card which is neither okay, this is a mistake, heart or king. That means for your P of neither king, neither heart nor king. That's the question. What is the meaning? 1 minus either heart or king. That is the meaning. That is 1 by P of H union K. 1 minus P of H plus P of K minus P of H intersection K. So 52 card means how many are there? 13. 13. Idea is there? 13. So spades, clubs, hearts, diamonds. So drawing, what is the probability of getting a heart? Anyone? 13 by 52. Plus kings. How many kings are there? From these 4 suits are there. From these 4 suits, we can get only 1 king. Totally 4. 4 by 52. Minus common value is how much? 1 by 52. So 1 minus 16 by 52. Tell me how much? 1 minus 4 by 13. 9 by 13 is coming. Neither a heart nor king. So option is here. Questions are visible. Think exam. Any think exam, yeah. Any printed mistake is there? Send me. I told you. So same. They sometimes they can ask in the place of king. They can ask club, diamond. Concept is same thing. So picture is important here. How many suits? There are 4 suits. That's the logic. Like that. Close the video, please. Thank you. 63. two dice are thrown simultaneously, then the odds against this is what the event of appearing equal numbers on them. What is the answer? Anyone? No. Odds against? Check it. Just a minute. What they are asking? Let me see. Odds against. Hmm. Okay. So two dice means what is the sample space? Anyone? 6 into 6. Two dice means 6 square. Okay. What is the event? Number is appearing equal number means what? 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2, and so on 6 comma 6. So n of p is how much? 6. So odds in favor. What is the formula? M by m plus n. M by n. Then what is the probability? Anyone? M by m plus n. What is the odds against means? N by m plus n. Okay. Dear students, what they are asking? Odds against. Odds against means what the answer? P of E dash by P of E. 5 by 6 by 1 by 6. Right on? Odds against the event. P of E dash by P of E. Odds in favor means P of E by P of E dash, like that. So please, all of you raise your hands. All of you. Still, what about Sai Swar not rising? Abhinav, Abhinay Kashyap, Akash, Amrit, Anjali, Mohan Kumar, Jujudhar, yes, Charan, Hemant, Kushi, not listening. Atasri, Madhuvarshit. What is the problem with you? Why you are not raising hand here? Ram Kumar, Parthiv Verma, all of you. Sai from Vizag, Santosh Chaudhary, Rakshit, Vinutna, Harisatvik, Sri Satvika, Manish, Kushi Kumari, Hemant. I'll take the screenshot. Those who are not listening, just a minute. Just a minute. I'll call to your parents later. 64. Anyone? If the odds in favor winning the race by 3 horses are respectively. Hands down now, all of you. Given 1:3, 1:4, 1:5. What is the answer? That means P of E1 is how much given? P of E1 is how much? 1/4. See carefully. Odds in favor means M by N. What is the probability? M by M plus N I'm taking. P of E2 is how much? 1/5. P of E3 is how much? 1/6. Carefully see. But actually these are what here? E1, E2, E3 are what? Mutually exclusive events. Okay, they can participate individually. They can win. So means P of E1 or E2 or E3. What is the meaning? That is the answer. So first hours win, or second hours, or third hours, like that. Not all at a time. Okay, now what is the meaning? 1/4 plus 1/5 plus 1/6. Is LCM, something is coming. It is a 4. 60 is coming. So simplify how much coming? Please, anyone? 37 or 33? Option B. Hands down. Okay, thank you, Saiswar. Navin, Kumar is not listening. Anjali, Siri Satvik. Some students are there. Rishi Kumari. 65. What is the answer? Two mutually exclusive events means what here? A intersection B is empty set. That means P of A intersection B is how much? 0. Fine. Okay. Yes. So P of A union B, nothing but P of A plus P of B, that is the answer. Hence proved. Concept. This is completely concept. How many of you revising? No, I don't know. Option B. Hmm? 66 is missing? Yeah. What is 66 here? Yeah, good. Consider P of E1 is given 1 plus A by 3. P of E2 is given, how much given? 1 minus A by 4. Mutually exclusive events. Okay. Mutually exclusive event means what here? E1 intersection E2 is empty. Okay. What is the meaning? That is the meaning. 0 less than or equal 1 plus A by 3 less than or equal 1. To simplify, what the result is coming? So minus 1 less than or equal A less than or equal to, this is a 1. Fine. Next, P of E2. What is the meaning? Simplify. 4 means adding minus 1. This is a 2. Finally, one more case. What is that? 1 plus A by 3. 1 minus A by 4. Less than or equal to 1. Simplify, you are getting something. So from 1, 2, 3, we get options here. So it was the previous J advanced model. Don't miss the concept, this one. Sometimes they're asking J names also. 67. What is the answer? A determinant is chosen at randomly from the set of all determinants. Yeah, this one we discuss in the morning. Whatever model, yeah, discuss. What are the concepts? A, B, C, D. AD minus BC. What is sample space? So in the place of A, I can entry, I can give either 0 or 1. How many ways? 2. 2. 2. Total how many ways? 2 into 2 into 2. How many ways? 2 power ways are there. I can fill. What about favorable cases? That is 6 only. AD minus BC is what here? Not equal to 0. Other than 0 can get any number. How many cases? How many such cases are there? 6. So required probability is 6 by 2 power 16. So answer is 3 by 8. Sometimes voices break means net problem. I told you now I'm using mobile hotspots. 3 by 8 answer. Pawan Kumar C. Presently I am at Vizag. Option is B. 68 is a very funny question. An urn contains 9 balls, 2 of which are red. Okay, see, anyone getting 68? What? How many balls are there? There are 9 balls. 2 are red, 3 are blue, 4 are black. Okay. So what is sample space? N of S is how much? You have to choose 3 numbers. 3. That means how many ways? 9 C3. Okay. Favorable cases means what is the case? Anyone? So in this case, I cannot choose red ball because whatever you are choosing 3 balls, these 3 balls must be same color. So red ball is not possible. I can choose 3 balls, 3 C3 ways, or I can choose black balls. How many ways? 1 plus 4 5 ways. So therefore, required probability is equal to same color means 5 by 9 C3, 5 by 84. That is the answer. Option A. Okay, no, red color is not possible. So minimum 3 balls are required from each color. $69. What is the answer? Non-leap year means how many days are there here? 52 weeks plus 1 day extra. So this 1 day means what day? Maybe Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So Sunday or Tuesday or Thursday. How many ways you can choose them? Probability of Sunday or probability of Tuesday or probability of Thursday. Okay, mutually exclusive event is one. P of S means how much? How many days? Sunday? Only one. Numbers be 7. 7. So answer is 3 by 7. That is the answer. Option C. Question number 70 is a good question. Anyone getting 70? Maurya? Is for anyone? Kumar? Question number 70. Okay, good. What about remaining Akhil? Kumar? Siri, anyone? Rusta is there? Rusta, raise your hand. 70. 70. 70. A box contains 20 cards. 10, see, yeah, 20 cards are there. Among this case, there are 10 cards are printed. What are the J? Remaining 10 letters are printed like G, E. So what is sample space anyone? Choose any 3 letters out of 20 point. So what are the favorable cases anyone? I can choose only one J because they're asking J is required. One J, how to choose? 10 C1 into 2 letters E out of 10. That's all. Therefore, required probability is how much? JE 10 C1 into 10 C2 by 20 C3. How much is coming? Simplify, that is the answer. So simplify 15 by 38. Option is Delhi. That's all. Getting clarity, 10 C1 plus not possible into. Okay, na? Compulsory, we have to choose J and E also. Either means then only can use plus. 71. The probability that you have, what is the A? PFK is how much? 0.5. Here B is 0.3. Mutually exclusive event means 0, 5. Okay. The probability of happening neither A nor B means simple. A dash intersection B dash. 1 minus P of A union B. 1 minus. What is the formula? P of A plus P of B. That's all. Answer is 0.2. 72. What is the given? Two small squares are choosing. Okay. What is the sample space? Choosing two squares out of 64. How many ways? 64 C2. Okay. Favorable cases. Choosing two squares having the common side means what here? 78 horizontally or vertically. That's the meaning. So 2 into 7 into 8. So required probability means what here? Common side is there. 2 into 7 into 8 by 64 C2. Simplify, how much is coming? How much is coming? Anyone? 2 into 7 into 8 by 64 means how much? 64 into 63 into 62 by 2. Anyone? 4 into 7 into 8 by. Any term is cancel or not? Check it. 2 times. 7 nines. How much is coming? Anyone? 4 8 is 32, 32 is okay, 7 9 is okay. Still, how many are there? But 62 is not possible. 2 times, no? Yeah. 1 by 18. But question is given k by 18 is given C. So therefore, k is how much? 1. 2 means okay. 64 C2 means like that. So till now there is no key correction. So error notes please submit it to Sudha madam. All of you. 73. It's very easy for you. P of E is given how much? P of F is how much? 0.6. They are asking P of E bar intersection F bar. Simple, just now discuss model repeated. That is meaning. Because E intersection F is how much? 5. Mutual exclusive events. 1 minus 0.3 minus 0.6 means, that is the meaning. Neither E nor F. That is the meaning. 74, anyone getting? P of A dash. That means P of A is how much? 0.7. P of B 0.4. P of B dash 0.6. P of A intersection B dash is given 0.5. Now question is given. This is the question. Edson theorem I'm using. That's all. So P of A is how much? 0.7. P of B dash 0.6 minus 0.5. So 0.7 plus 0.1 is how much? So 75 discussed in the classroom, that is sons. Equal number of sons, in this case daughters are given. In that case, probably that all the tickets go to sons of B, in this case sons, daughters of A. You know, almost model same. So answer is 3. What is the answer? A and B both are having X number of daughters, equal number of daughters. Okay. So distributing 3 tickets among 2x daughters means what here? 2x C3 base. Okay, fine. Or question is given, condition is given, all the tickets go to daughters of A. How much? 1 by 20. What is the meaning? XC3 by 2XC3. X is equal to 3. Last time we discussed now. Okay. So please submit the error notes, all of you, dear students. This one is very important. Okay. Thank you, dear students. Have a nice day.